Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera and one of these is the promote, so let's pick it. So here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the right. The first one button here gives us access to this slider and we can control the exposure compensation of our picture, so we can manage the light of our photo. By going to the right we can make our picture more bright, as you can see. By going to the left we can make it more dark. And at the center we have 0 parameter, so there's no problem to go back to the auto exposure compensation. Now let's move to the center, to this button. Here we have the white balance, so by using this slider we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. By going to the left we can make our photo more cold. By going to the right we can make it more warm. So this is kind of balance between the orange and the blue light. And of course there's no problem also to go back to the auto settings. We can do it by tapping on this manual button from the right. And now we are again on auto white balance. Now let's move to the last one button here from the left with ISO. Here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light and we can make it less sensitive from 100. By going to the right we can make it more sensitive to 800. So I think the spectrum is enough to this kind of camera, and of course to go back to auto ISO we have to tap on this manual button here. And now we are again on auto settings. Now let's have a look at this button in the right corner. When we tap here we can pick the meta ring. We are in center weighted meta ring. We can change this to the matrix and also the spot one. So let me stay on this one now and let me use these settings to take a picture. So let's pick the ISO maybe here, the white balance more blue and a little bit brighter. And to see the photo, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here, we get quick access to the gallery. So I suggest you to making experiments with that and just have a good fun. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.